Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have learnt about multiplication and division of rational numbers. Let us recall the rules. When two numbers are in same sign, that is both are positive or both the numbers are in negative, assign positive sign. When two numbers are in different signs, that is one is positive and the second one is negative, or the first one is negative and the second one is positive, then assign negative sign. Based on this, today we are going to solve the problems in exercise 1.3. Fourth question, find the product. Minus 7 by 9 into 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 14. Here we can cancel the numbers. 1 9 is 9 and here also 1 9 is 9. So here there is a negative sign, so this is minus 1. Here 1 7 is 7, here negative sign is there, so minus 1, and 2 7s are 14. 1 2 is 2, here also 1 2 is there, so 1 2 is 2. So here minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. So the numerator plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by, so here all are positive, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. While writing the answer, you have to write it as minus 7 by 9 into 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 14 is equal to 1 by 3. This is your answer. Is it clear, children? Yes. Sixth question, divide the following. Minus 11 by 1 by 7. So it's given in the question that minus 11 divided by 1 by 7, which is equal to minus 11. So here the denominator is not given, so we can take that as 1. We have to change this division sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second number. What's the reciprocal of 1 by 7? Yes, that is 7 by 1. Here minus into plus is minus 77 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 77. Minus 11 divided by 1 by 7, the answer is minus 77. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next one, 100 divided by minus 200 by 5. 100 divided by minus 200. As I already told you, always bring the negative sign to the numerator. So minus 100 divided by 200 divided by 5. So here the denominator is not given, so you have to take that one as 1, which is equal to, write the first rational number as such, minus 100 divided by minus 200, sorry, plus 200. Now change this division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second rational number, which is 1 by 5. Now we can simplify this one. You can cancel these two zeros, which is equal to, here these two numbers are in different signs, so assign negative to the product. Minus 1 divided by 2 5s are 10. So the answer is minus 100 divided by 200 divided by 5 is equal to minus 1 by 10 is your answer. The seventh question, evaluate the following. This is minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 the whole divided by minus 4 by 5 plus 2 by 1. So let us solve this first bracket. So look at these denominators. These denominators are different. How do we solve this one? Yes, we have to take the LCM. So what's the LCM of 3 and 2? LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So in order to get the number 6 in the denominator, here we have to multiply by 2 and here also 2. Here we have to multiply by 3 to get the denominator as 6. Here minus into plus is minus, 2 2s are 4. Here plus sign is there, write the sign as such. 1 into 3 is 3. So we have finished the first bracket. The second one is, here also the denominators are different, so I have to take LCM. What's the LCM of 5 and 1? Yes, that is 5. So here already the denominator is 5. So you have to multiply this numerator and denominator by 1. Here this is 1. In order to get the number 5, you have to multiply by 5 both the numerator and the denominator. What will be your answer? Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 2 5s are 10. Here these two integers are in different signs. So you have to subtract and write the greater number sign. So what's a greater number sign here? It is negative. So minus, the difference between 4 and 3 is 1. So this is minus 1 by 6 divided by, here also these two integers are in different signs. So subtract and write the greater number sign. Here the greater number sign is positive. So this is plus, and the difference between 4 and 10 is 6 divided by 5, which is equal to minus 1 by 6. Write the first rational number as such. Change the division symbol into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second rational number, that is 5 by 6. These two are in different signs. So assign negative sign to the answer. 1 5 is 5 divided by 6 6 are 36. While you are writing the answer, you have to write it as minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by minus 4 by 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 36. This is your answer. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us have a small recap. When you are adding integers of same sign, that is both are positive or both are negative, we have to just add the numbers and assign the same sign. When the integers are in different signs, subtract and write the greater number sign. When we multiply two integers of same sign, that is both are positive or both are negative, assign positive sign to the product. When both the integers are in different signs, that is one is positive and the another one is negative, assign negative sign to the product. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.